Hello everybody and welcome back to another adventure. This time we're taking the RV down the Washington and Oregon coast, mouth of the Columbia River. I'm with my wife Piper and our friend Stephanie. We arrived at Fort Stevens Park just in time to get to the beach and watch the sunset. What a beautiful, beautiful Pacific coastal beach Fort Stevens has. Well, it was time for bed. After watching the sunset, we got up early in the morning and were treated to wonderful entertainment on the beach. Got a baby, nice little family, a man making bubbles. I wish I'd gotten his name so I could thank him. All that with the beach and surf in the background. Doesn't get much better than that to have your coffee in the morning. Then it was time to let the squirrel watch the campsite while we jumped on our scooters and headed around Fort Stevens Park. Wonderful, wonderful scooter, bicycle, walking, hiking. So many trails, so many cool things. Here's me on my one wheel. Got down to the beach as the tide came in. Spent some time taking some video and snapshots. Running away from the tide. Got a chance to watch the pelicans in the surf. We'll see some more of those later. I love pelicans. Some video of people really enjoying the beach. What a beautiful beach Warrington Beach is. Here's some of the snapshots that I was able to take that day. You never know what you'll find at the beach. So the next morning we headed out to cross the Columbia River. There's your pelicans again. This is the Megler Astoria Bridge that leads you across the Columbia River to Cape Disappointment State Park. A park that does not live up to its name. It has never disappointed. So after dinner, went down and caught the sunset on Cape Disappointment Beach. Also spectacular. That's the North Head Lighthouse. We're going to spend today running around our RVs heading between the two lighthouses. We're going to hike up to the Cape Disappointment Lighthouse. On the hike you go past Dead Man's Cove. Nice little beach down there. Wonderful views all the way up to the lighthouse. Looking across at the jetty at Waikiki Beach where the Pacific Ocean meets the Columbia River, and it's just beautiful and powerful. That's the Lewis and Clark Observatory up there. Certainly want to stop by and see that when you visit. This is the Cape Disappointment Light. It's rugged and aged and just beautiful. Just like the tree that stands next to it, also rugged and aged. So now let's head down to Waikiki Beach and the jetty and look at the lighthouse from the beach. Amazing place to get photos of the waves. This particular shot was inspired by my friend Aaron Stadler, who had a photo posted a couple of days prior that was so breathtaking that I had to go and get my version of it. Then we walked over across the jetty and onto the Pacific Ocean beach. You never know what you'll find at the beach, as I said before. And here was a swing hanging off of an old tree.
She's the smart one.
That which will save me.
A lot of fun for a bunch of old people. That's the North Head Lighthouse. We'll get there in a minute. So the final morning, we get up, quick trip to the beach, look up at the lighthouse, and then we jump on our scooters for the best scooter ride I've had yet. It's a couple of miles each way, just beautiful trail, all paved, and it leads you right out to the North Head cliff where the beautiful lighthouse stands. You don't want to miss this part of the trip. Beautiful lighthouse, beautiful views, and a great trail if you've got a scooter or if you're walking. So this was a short trip, only 4 days. So I'm going to leave you now with some of my favorite little clips. Really hope you'll get a chance to head out to Cape Disappointment and Fort Stevens. Great beaches. I'm Bryan Diehl. As always, thanks for watching.